Hi and welcome. I'm so glad you found my channel. My name is Erin, and on my videos I show you how to create DIY bath and beauty products. So let's go ahead and get started with this week's video. Today I'm going to be showing you how to create this gel-like serum for the face. This particular formula is very easy to put together, so let's go ahead and get started. To begin making this face serum, I'm adding some caprylic triglycerides, also known as MCT. This ingredient is not only an emollient, but a cleanser as well. When applied to the face, it is very lightweight and it will not clog the pores. One of the star ingredients used in this formula I'm adding next, and this is flaxseed oil. This will help to balance the sebum production of the skin. It will help to strengthen the barrier of the skin, and it will also help to boost hydration levels of the skin as well. So now that I'm done adding that flaxseed oil, I'll be next adding some macadamia nut oil. Now this contains an antioxidant known as squalene, which is very good for really adding more hydration to the skin. It will help to calm the skin, and it is packed full of omega-3 and omega-6. Now that I have added my oils, it's time to go ahead and add this next ingredient, which really is the key ingredient in this formula, and it is beeswax. Beeswax will give this serum that nice thick consistency that we're looking for. It will also help to seal in moisture into the skin. I am now covering my beaker, and this will help to ensure that nothing falls in during the heating process. At this point, you want to make sure not to boil your ingredients, but rather gently heat them down until all that beeswax that you added is completely melted. Once that beeswax has melted, I allow this to sit for about 2 minutes. And now I am going to go ahead and add some vitamin E oil. Vitamin E oil is very beneficial for the skin, and it will also help to prolong the shelf life of the other ingredients that are being used in this formula. The very last ingredient in this formula is turmeric essential oil. Now, I did not choose this because I love the scent. Rather, I chose this because it helps to cleanse and clarify the skin, but I also find that it will help to brighten the skin as well. It's now time for me to stir all the ingredients together. I want to make sure that I've nicely incorporated them throughout the serum. Now, this part is crucial. You need to do this quickly because it will cool down fast and it will make it difficult to pour into your container. As I'm pouring my face serum into my dropper bottle here, I wanted to go over a couple things with you. So first of all, this formula makes exactly 4 ounces of product. And second of all, this will continue to cool down, and as it cools down, you will notice that the texture changes and becomes more like that gel consistency which you want. Here's the finished product. I wanted to show you that it did not leave a greasy residue behind when I only used a couple drops. I did try it initially and I used way too much, about a dropper full, and it did leave a greasy residue. So in this case, less is more when it comes to using the serum. As always, here's the formula that I used for creating this serum. Now, if you have a nut allergy, instead of using the macadamia nut oil, you could use grapeseed oil in place of. And if you're looking for a vegan alternative to the beeswax, I would use sunflower wax. So thanks for watching, and if you'd like to see more DIY formulas, don't forget to like and subscribe.